Just to recap yung trending natin. Pero again, this is in the unofficial scorecard of us three. Manny Pacquiao took round number 1. Sa patingin natin, Marco Antonio Barrera with rounds 2 and 3. Tapos, Pacquiao na sa rounds 5, 6, at 7. But yung 8, napaka-close ng round number 8.
Itong round number 9 kinuha ni Manny Pacquiao.
Without a doubt, oo. Kita-kita natin yun, no? Yung pagpasok ni Manny, suntok ng suntok, sunod-sunod. At halos walang ginawa nga si Marco Antonio Barrera sa round na yon. And overall, as we just said, no, parang kulang, no? Kulang na kulang yung ginagawa dito ni Barrera. Okay, round number 10 na tayo.
9 minutes left in the fight. And we still have to see Manny Pacquiao connect with a thunderous punch.
Marco Antonio Barrera prepared a well-planned counter against Manny Pacquiao's vaunted power punches.
Alam mo, partner, sa tingin ko, ang style na ginagawa dito ni Barrera is a survival style.
But wide on that one,
He's not aggressive. Kumakaunter siya just to be able to survive para hindi masyadong maka-atake si Manny.
I agree with you, Pinito. But that strategy is backfiring because sa kanilang pag-atras, hindi siya tumatama kay Manny.
Exactly.
Ang ating Motolite pang matagalan, round number 10.
Kaya nga, sabi ko, no, kulang sa opensa si Barrera. Because,
ano yun eh? Ang tawag parang maitawid lang yung laban.
He's countering to survive.
But Manny Pacquiao, of course, always in the attack mode.
And again, nagba-backtrack si Barrera, no? Gusto lang matapos eh, yung laban. Para hindi siya ma-knockout.
But of course, Manny Pacquiao would want to end this one and put at least a period. Oh, wow, what a connection ni Marco Antonio Barrera.
Kaliwa sa mukha ni Manny
But it
Pacquiao.
hardly affected Manny Pacquiao kasi umaabanti pa rin. Manny Pacquiao not able to get his rhythm against the backtracking Marco Antonio Barrera.
Again, ito yung yung survival tactics ni Barrera. He's backtracking, he's staying away, he's not engaging.
Ayan, sa side to side.
Side to side lang eh.
Hindi ko maintindihan sapagkat kung maaga pa sana sabihin natin pinapagod niya si Manny. But there are only 6 minutes left in the fight. And so I agree with you, Kinito. He's just trying to survive this fight, preserve his reputation as one of the best
Para hindi siya ma-knockout dito ni Manny.
in the sport. Good combination by Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao caught him, hindi pa siya nakaka-atras. Lumipad si Manny Pacquiao.
Ito, nakakabalik. Pero, partner, yung mga suntok ni Barrera in spurts eh. At saka spurts.
Saka hindi iniinda. Yung napapansin natin
Walang
dito.
continuity because natatakot siya. After he connects with some punches, babalikan siya ni Manny eh. Na hindi niya masustain yung kanyang atake. Up. Hindi yata tama yung ginawa ni Barrera doon. Referee
Tingnan natin
Tony
kung yan
Weeks.
ang magpapainit ng ulo ni Manny Pacquiao. Marco Antonio Barrera has played a tactical fight of not engaging Manny Pacquiao. Dito po patapos ang ating round number 10. Manny Pacquiao still stalking. Kung marathon ang laban, nanalo si Marco Antonio Barrera. That round going to Manny Pacquiao.